Alright, so here's everything. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and try to turn it over. Oh, thick them sinks there. ICP is 3. Killed the battery already? What? Did I? Okay guys, let me tell you what I've been doing today. Let me tell you something. It was a motherfucker. Okay? I have a 2003 F-250 Super Duty diesel 6.0. Well, what I did today, I had to change the AC compressor out because it seized up. And you can see all the shit coming out. Totally tore apart the gears in there. I got a new one from AutoZone or Advanced Auto, 150 bucks, not bad. Lifetime warranty, everything in there, but it was a nightmare getting it in there. I'm serious. I've been here probably 2 hours, 2.5 hours just getting it the fuck out of there. Okay. But let me tell you what originally was happening. So I went on vacation for about 2 weeks, got back, drove my truck about 20 miles. That was fine. Shut it down, went to start it back up. It was a crank no start. I was like, oh boy, this is gonna be fun, real fun. Man, I thought it was everything. Then it started killing the batteries. Batteries died. So then I thought it was the Ficum. Thought it was the H-pop. Thought it was everything. Okay. So I worked on this thing for about half a day. Still crank no start. Kept on charging the batteries. Crank no start. And then I went to Walmart, bought bought 2 new batteries, thought that was it. It wasn't the problem, crank no start. Finally, I sprayed some diesel starting fluid in there. Finally, it kicked over and fucking started smoking horribly. Smoking so bad. Fucking snapped the belt, and I was like, oh shit. Okay, so I looked under and the AC compressor pulley wasn't moving. Once it snapped, I got the belt off, got the belt completely off, and then when it went to start it, started up perfectly fine. So that's where I'm at now. AC compressor seized up on me, but what a bitch getting it off. I'm glad it was only that, but that's the good thing. Only $200 fix with everything. Never done this before, so I'm a do-it-yourself. I'm a try to be a do-it-yourself. I refuse to take it anywhere to get fixed because I'm willing and capable of doing it myself. But yeah, that's where I'm at. You have to take the wheel plastics off. Right there, that is. Gotta take that off. Gotta take the tear off. That was a bitch. And then you gotta, it's easy to remove the battery. I took the negative terminal out just because it was in my way. But let's see. Let's see. I'll show you where it came from. Way up in there. And these bolts were like only 3 bolts, 4 bolts actually, but it was a bitch getting those things. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in, and then let you guys know how that goes. But Was not fun. Was not fun. And this truck is a beast. Has 325,000 miles with all stock head bolts on it. Nothing done to it. So, gotta put her back on the road. Alright guys, have a good day. Hey, subscribe to my channel too. I do a lot of stupid, fucky things, so check me out. Subscribe. Alright guys, thanks.